Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Brown. I am a first year social work student. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I have three beautiful children, and I'm 35 years old. So, my experience with learning research courses is I did take one in my undergraduate for organizational leadership. It was Business 440, which was applied business research. So, we were able to use research methods for best business practices, is how that course went. It really kind of emphasized critical thinking, and we did a lot of qualitative and quantitative data. We use those kinds of methods. So I know that there are probably going to be differences with using this type of research with justice issues, which I'm pretty excited about because I love this field. So, what would make research courses fun for me is, of course, researching topics that I'm passionate about, that I'm interested in, that I can find out like what are the implications for the why of something and how we can solve something or how we could provide a better solution for some of the social justice issues that's going on. So, what I'm most excited about is that we were able to pick our own group. I'm happy to pick the youth group as I am a U10 coach for the Anderson Monarchs and I'm the secretary for their advisory council. So I have a special passion for the youth, and I also work for the poor and underserved with the company that I work for. So all of that intertwined, I'm pretty excited to learn. I am a little intimidated by the research and having to use a spreadsheet and things like that, but I'm excited about it. I'm excited about picking up additional skills. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you all.